Congruency miscellaneous. Okay. Hari api muling etherin patan gamu. Congruency miscellaneous එකේ 8th question. Congruency miscellaneous 8th question. So, in that question, so this is question number 8, no? Okay. So, how was that question? Did you all do this? Miscellaneous වල 8ක විතරයිද දුන්නේ? In the congruency miscellaneous, did I only give the 8th question? Yes. Did you all do this question? How was it? Was it difficult or easy? Was it a difficult question or an easy question? What do you think? Kolamai. Kokarada Hamoma. Give me a thumbs up if you did the homework. Others? Others? Kwanita. Okay. Sandaru, Sasheli, Shanaz, Shweta. Did you do the homework? All right. Let's see. The point X lies in the interior of the square. Okay. So, ape ABCD kiyanne menna meya square ka, right? Shanaz, you can click on the link that I have put in the main chat. Zoom main chat I have put a link. Click on that and see. I'm not very sure why that would happen. Link ekata gihama you get the whiteboard, but Zoom I mean you can also reply to me, right? Okay. Anyway, so ABCD is a square. Square ekak kiyane you know all the sides of a square are equal. And XAB is an equilateral triangle. Okay. So XAB is an equilateral triangle as well. Okay. So since XAB is an, okay, first of all, ABCD is a square. Erang AB ge side ekai, BC, CD and AD, all these sides should be equal. At the same time, XAB is an equilateral triangle. So AB ge size ekama thamai, length ekama thamai XB, A length ekama thamai AX, right? So this is the data that they have given. Mechara dila thiya. Question number 1, AXD and CBX congruent කියලා අපි prove කරන්න ඕනේ. Let me mark these two triangles AXD. AXD කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙයා. Okay. CBX. CBX කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙයා. මොනවද ළමයි තියෙන common elements මේ දෙන්නගේ? What are the common elements? DA and CB. හරි. DA කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙයා, CB කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙයා. ඒ දෙන equal, yes. Because the opposite sides, the sides of a square. So අපිට එක side pair එකක් තියෙනවා. What else? What else? ළමයිකෝ අනිත් අය කරේ නැද්ද? I need more answers. I need more responses. Alternative angles නම් මෙතන නැහැ. But I got one, yes. AX is equal to BX. Why are they equal? Because they are sides of an equilateral triangle. So we have another side pair. What else do we have? What else do we have here? Which are equal? Alamai? Okay. I'll ask you this. May side dekai, may side dekai. Are they equal? May sides dekai. Have they given anything to prove that? No. No. මොනවද දීලා නැහැ නේද මෙතන? ඒ දෙන්න මේ දෙන්නයි කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ side එකයි මේකයි equal කියන්නේ මුකුත් දීලා නැහැ. ඒකෙන්ද අපිට ඒ දෙනම equal කියලා ගන්න බෑ. අපි බලනවා මේ වගේ එක එක ඒවා like මේ angle එකයි අපිට පේන්න මුකුත් නැහැ නේ. මේ angle එකයි අපිට ගන්න බෑ. ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ question එකේ ළමයි වරද්දන තැනක් තමයි y'all get this angle and this angle as equal. And you put the reason as vertically opposite angles. Are these two vertically opposite angles? What do you think? Are they vertically opposite angles? Why are they not vertically opposite angles? ළමයි මතක තියාගන්න හැම වෙලේම vertically opposite angles occur when there are two straight lines that are intersecting. If you take මෙයා ගත්තොත් එහෙම මෙයා මෙහෙම straight line එකක් විතර නෙවෙයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒක ගන්න බෑ. Yeah, we can get the included angle. ළමයි මෙන්න මේ angle එකයි මේ angle එකයි. Do you think that these two angles are equal? As you think, are they equal? They are equal. ඒ දෙන equal කියලා අපි මුලින්ම prove කරලා ඉන්න ඕනේ. First of all, okay, ඔන්න බලන්න step by step මේක කරන විදිය. I'll put Roman number 1. Now, reason එකක් කියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. So when you're writing a reason within brackets, we can't write a very long reason in the brackets. Ne? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show that this angle and this angle are equal first. ඊළඟට තමයි congruence එක ලියන්න. හොඳට බලන්න කරන විදිය. Now we know DAB and CBA are equal, right? DAB and CBA are equal, right? And they are 90 degrees. Why? Because they are angles, interior angles in a square. So, අපි දන්නවා interior angles in a square කොහොමද කියලා. So, reason is interior angles in a square. Then, we also know that XAB and XBA are also equal. What would be the value of XAB and XBA? 60 degrees. Why? Because it's an equilateral triangle. Lama, in an equilateral triangle, all the interior angles are equal. Okay? So, interior angles of an equilateral triangle. Okay? Then, මොකද කරන්නේ? Look at this very carefully. Huh? මම මෙතන DAB ගෙන් XAB අඩු කරනවා. DAB minus XAB. මෙතන CBA minus XBA. Okay? So DAB is this one, XAB is this one. DAB ගෙන් XAB අඩු කරාම මට මේ චූටි කැලේ එනවා නේද? That would be DAX. That would be DAX. CBA ගෙන් XBA අඩු කරනවා. CBA is this, XBA is this. So මෙයාගෙන් මෙයාව අඩු කරාම මට මේ චූටි කැලේ එනවා. That is CBX. ඔයාට ඕනම් මේක values වලින් පෙන්නන්නත් පුළුවන්. This is 90 degrees, this is 60 degrees, 90 minus 60 is 30. This is also 90 degrees, this is 60 degrees, 90 minus 30. So මේ දෙන 30 degrees තමයි එන්නේ. Values වලින් පෙන්වුවේ නැතත් කමක් නැහැ if you just show how they are equal. That would be enough. Is this clear to all of you, Lamai? Okay. Now we are coming to the congruency part. Look at this very carefully. මොනවාද අපි congruent කරන්න ඕනේ? AXD and CBX, right? AXD and CBX. ඔන්න මම topic එක දැම්මා. මුලින්ම AD side is equal to BC side. AD side equals BC side. And we already talked about the reason. The reason එක මොකක්ද? Sides of a square. Yes. Make a diagram, make a mark. Even if you mark certain things on the diagram, you still have to write it. But anybody can mark on the diagram, but the examiner needs to know if you actually understood it. හරියට තේරුම් අරගෙන හරියට theory එක ඔලුවට දාගෙනද කරේ කියලා the examiner needs to check. So even though you mark on the diagram, you still have to write it like this. Okay? Then, okay. AX and BX are equal. AX equals BX. Reason, sides of an equilateral triangle. Now angles දෙන්න මෙතන අපි already ලියලානේ තියෙන්නේ. So එකටක් දාලා මේකට copy කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. DAX equals CBX. Now here for the reason what I write is because I already proved it above. උඩ මම prove කරලා තියෙන්නේ. So I write proven above. Then I have two sides that are equal and the included angle is also equals. Therefore, I can say, therefore, triangle AXD is congruent to triangle CBX under SAS case. Did all of you understand this? 100%. Others? Anybody has any questions? Okay, can you quickly copy this down? I will set a timer for 2 minutes for recorrections. Quickly, because we have to do part 2. Okay, Lamai. Now let's do Roman number 2. Roman number 2 එක මම පැත්තෙන් කරන්නද? Do we have space? No, මම මෙතන කරන්න. මොකක්ද අපිට කියන්නේ Roman number 2 එකේ DXC. Lamai, today attendance is not very good, yesterday science class had pretty good attendance. මට excuse කරලා තියෙනවා ගොඩක් අය හැබැයි. Excuse කරලා තියෙනවා නම් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. If you have excused and informed that you are not coming, that's okay. But if you don't inform, that is the problem. බලමු කවුද inform කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Okay. I think last week also I told you, if your attendance is not very good, if you are absent without notice for more than 3 weeks, you will be removed from the group. That is something that I strictly decided on. Absent whenever now, please make sure that you let me know that you are getting absent. Right? That shows that you really care about coming to the class. Right? නිකන් class එකකට එන්න ඕනෑවට class එකට එන ළමයි ටිකක් නෙවෙයි මට ඕනේ. Like actually wanting to come to the class, actually wanting to learn this, right? That's the type of students I need. And that's the type of students that you need to become, right? Ekahinda, you need to care enough to inform me if you are not coming to the class, because you know we are doing group classes. So as I've said before multiple times, it really matters to me that you actually come to the class and learn what I'm teaching you. Okay. I did mention you about the LMS last week, but I won't be able to give you a demonstration today, but next week you will be getting logins. Like next week, is it April? Yeah, no? Yeah, it's April 1st. So by April 1st, April 1st, yes. And Lamaya, we have an extra class, no? April 3rd, I hope you don't, like you haven't forgotten that. April 3rd extra class එක මතකයිද? No? Yes, we have an extra class on April 3rd. Please don't forget. April 3rd is a holiday. It's not this Friday, next Friday. It's a holiday. If you have a valid reason, it's okay not to come. But otherwise, please do come. For those of you who cannot attend the class, please make sure that you let me and Miss Divya know on WhatsApp and request the recording and the whiteboard. Okay. Okay. Yes. Let's come back to this. DXC is an isosceles triangle. The මම මේක erase කරන්න. මොනවද අපි DXC කියලා කියන්නේ? Let's see. DXC. Oh, this one. Okay, Sasheli, no worries. DXC කියන්නේ මේ චුට්ටිම චුට්ටි triangle එක. This little one. We have to show that it's an isosceles triangle. Is it an isosceles triangle, Lamai? Is it?
Yes. Yes.
How?
Because it has two sides that are equal and one side is not equal.
Yeah, it has two sides which are equal. What are these two sides? It's DX and CX. Can you all tell me why DX and CX are equal? Why are DX and CX equal? Yes, because they are corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Why අපි කියවනේ මේ triangle එකයි congruent නේ. If they are congruent, all the three sides of this triangle equal to all the three sides of the other triangle. And all the angles are also equal. That is why these two dx and cx are equal. Huh? I will write it here. Angles are ADC, BCD, wait. ADC,